So our paper mache is made and ready to go, and now we need to know how to use it. Our hands are probably already really messy and gunky, so I'm going to show you the important parts of using the newspaper in the paper mache. One thing you want to do is take the paper mache, the newspaper and hold it by one end and dip it all the way in. It's important that we get the newspaper coated completely and not to leave it in the paper mache mixture too long, otherwise we're going to end up with newspaper that is soaked and will fall apart. If it rips and it falls apart, it's not a problem. You can use the half of the piece or whatever's left. That's the great thing about paper mache, is that you can always, piece it together, find little pieces, and keep going. So this is what we do. When we dunk it down, we pull it back up, we do a gentle scissor finger and take all the excess off of the piece of newspaper, because we really just want it coated like a glue, and that should work just fine.